Hello, welcome, great minds. Look at this challenge before us here. M times M times M all over M plus M equal to 6. This is a very simple one. How do we navigate? This is how we do it. So we are just to solve for the value of M here. So we're taking our solution here without much waste of time. What is M times M times M? Is M to the power of 3. So this is going to give us our M to the power of 3. Straightforward. All over M plus M plus M in turn will give us 3M. This is equals to 6. Wow, easy. I can rewrite this expression here, separating these 3 out. And so this is same thing as 1 all over 3 bracket your M to the power of 3 all over M close bracket equal to 6. Easy. So we can use this to divide this, or we apply the law of indices, which says that when you have something of this kind, if you have your A to the power of M all over A to the power of N, this is equals to your A to the power of M minus N, right? Good. So with this, we can rewrite this. This is going to give us our 1 all over 3, okay? The M raised to the power of 3 minus 1, this is equals to 6. So we have 1 all over 3. Then we have our M to the power of 2 equal to 6. Multiply through by 3. So if we do that, it's going to give us 1 all over 3. Then our M raised to the power of 2 times our 3. This is equal to 6 times our 3. All right? So this will leave. So we now have M to the power of 2 is equals to 6 times 3 will give us R18. Easy, right? Good. Take the square root of both sides. So take the square root of both sides. We produce our plus minus here. This leaves. So we have M is equals to plus minus the square root of, I think will be written as 2 times our 9. 9 is a perfect square, right? So this will give us here plus minus the square root of our 2 times 3. So let's put it here, times 3. So this is going to give us here plus minus 3 root 2. So this is the value of our M. Okay, so we have our M1 is equals to our 3. This is 3, please. 3, okay, there, root 2. And our M2 is equals to minus 3 root 2. How? So we want to do a simple check. So what is the check to this now? We want to take our check to know if this actually satisfies this. So if we decide to take the first one, so we're going to have here our 3 root 2 times 3 root 2 times 3 root 2 all over. Here we have 3 root 2 plus 3 root 2 plus 3 root 2, everything equal to 6. Right? Let me write the 6 very well. So let's continue on this side. 3 times 3 is 9. 9 times 3 will give us 27, right? So this is going to give us 27 times root 2 times root 2 will give us 2. Times root 2 will give us 2 root 2. All over. Here we have, because they have the same square root symbol, so we can add that together. So root 3 root 2 plus 3 root 2 will give us 6 root 2. Plus another 3 root 2 will give us 9 root 2. Everything equal to 6. 9 here 1, 9 here will give us 3. Root 2 here 1, root 2 here 1. So we have left with our 3 times 2 equal to, so 3 times 2 is what? 6 equal to 6. So this shows that the first one is what? Correct. Now the second one we take the same pattern. The only difference is the minus. Here we have minus. So let's just quickly look at it from here. If we have here to be minus, we have here to be minus, we have here to be minus. So minus times minus will give us plus. Plus times minus will give us minus. So we're going to have minus from the top here. Then we now have here minus 3 root 2 minus 3 root 2 minus 3 root 2. Together that will give us minus 9 root 2. Okay? Meanwhile, this other side, we're going to have minus our 27 times 2 root 2. So the same figures will come out from here. The only difference is that here will be minus, here will be minus, and the minus will cancel out. So with that, it shows that the second root also satisfies the original equation. Like I told you, this is a very simple one. No need wasting much time on this. Thank you for being there. Until we see you in our next class, keep winning. And remember that Jakes does love you. Bye for now.